Welcome guys to our YouTube channel, and today I will tell you which are the most 10 highest paying programming languages in India. Before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. On number 10, it's Kotlin. Kotlin was developed by JetBrains. The advantages of Kotlin are: first, it is interoperable with Java, which means methods which are written in Java can be accessed in Kotlin. Second, it has a human readable syntax. Third, Kotlin is open source. Anyone can easily learn Kotlin. Average salary for a Kotlin developer in India is around 4,66,000 rupees. On number 9, it's Objective-C, which was developed by Next Computers and from whom it was taken over by Apple. The advantages of Objective-C are: it has the 4 core aspects of object-oriented programming, which are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. And also, it's open source. The national average salary for an Objective-C developer is around 5,74,000 rupees. At number 8, it's Swift. Swift was developed by Apple. Swift programming language is easy to learn and also it is fast as compared to other programming languages. The national average salary for a Swift developer is around 5,85,000. At number 7, it's C#. It was developed by Microsoft. C# is a versatile language, so it can be used to develop different types of projects. Also, C# is a cross-platform, so it can be implemented on a different platform such as Microsoft, Linux and macOS. The average salary earned by a C# developer is around 6,46,000 rupees. On number 6, it is Java. It's among one of the most popular programming language. It was developed by Sun Microsystems. Java is platform independent, so code written in Java can be run on all operating systems. And again, it's multi-purpose as well as open source. On average, Java developer earns around 7,09,000 rupees. On number 5, it's one of the most rapidly growing programming language. It's Python. Python has a huge number of libraries. Python is growing popularity in the field of data science. So, it is majorly used by machine learning engineers and data scientists. The national average salary for a Python programmer is around 7,55,000 rupees. On number 4, it's Ruby on Rails. It was built on Model View Controller Framework. MVC divides the work of an application into 3 separate subsystems. On average, Ruby on Rails developer earn around 8 lakh rupees. On number 3, it's Perl. It was developed by Larry Wall. Perl programming language is very effective in text manipulation. Perl has a very similar syntax to a C programming language. On average, Perl programmer earns around 8,47,000 rupees. On number 2, it's Scala. Scala was developed by Martin Odersky. Scala is very high performing programming language and it is highly popular among the data scientists and machine learning engineers. The average salary earned by a Scala programmer is around 10,07,000 rupees. And finally, on number 1, it's Go or a Golang programming language. It's one of the highest paying programming language in India. Go programming language is easy to learn as well as it is fast. It is used for programming across large-scale network servers and big distributed systems. The national average salary for a Go programmer is around 11,54,000 rupees. Thank you for watching the video guys, and please like, share, support and subscribe our YouTube channel.